Written to President Uhuru Kenyatta by Senate Majority Whip Irungu Kang'ata, allaying fears of a possible referendum defeat in the Mount Kenya region has elicited mixed reactions from leaders in the region. In the letter, Kang'ata confided in President Uhuru Kenyatta that only 2 out of 10 people support the referendum bill in an unstructured survey that he conducted in Murang'a. Mwangi Maina reports.
In a bold and hard-hitting letter to President Uhuru Kenyatta, Senate Majority Whip and Murang'a Senator Irungu Kang'ata laid it all bare. Kang'ata telling President Uhuru Kenyatta that his brainchild of leaving behind a united country through the Building Bridges initiative is staring at an imminent humiliating defeat in the president's backyard, Mount Kenya region. Senator Kang'ata confided to President Uhuru Kenyatta that only 2 people out of every 10 people support the BBI, whereas 6 are opposed to the process and the other 2 remain indifferent. This, he says, is an unstructured data he collected in Murang'a during the Christmas break. Kang'ata wants President Uhuru Kenyatta to call his house to order by bringing together political leaders from the region, including the grassroots leaders, irrespective of the Jubilee Party faction they are allied to. Kang'ata told President Uhuru Kenyatta that his own personal intervention could salvage the boat from capsizing. In the letter, Kang'ata disclosed to President Uhuru Kenyatta that the use of provincial administrators is proving to be a major setback in the popularization of the BBI report, a move interpreted by many as that of government bulldozing its way and forcing the BBI on the common mwananchi. Kang'ata opines that the provincial administrators should be done away with in the referendum process. Kang'ata traces the genesis of things falling apart in the Mount Kenya region to the revenue sharing formula at the Senate. Kang'ata told President Uhuru Kenyatta that he raised flags early enough, but nothing was done to salvage the situation. However, 10 governors from the Mount Kenya region under the Central Region Economic Bloc have downplayed the letter by Kang'ata, saying he ought to have followed the official government structures and procedures while addressing the president. The governors chided Kang'ata, terming his letter as cheap and populist stunt. Murang'a woman member of parliament Sabina Chege said Kang'ata did not address the president as a representative of the mountain. However, Gatundu South member of parliament Moses Kuria says the letter is a testament that the BBI initiative is set to flop in the populous mountain region.
I'm not so sure now whether that letter was done by Kang'ata or not, because you have seen today we gave him a chance to explain, and he did not explain about that letter. And you've seen clearly he has also avoided to speak to the media. So I am not so sure whether that was his own letter or not. Never the same as a leader in Murang'a County. I think when he said we are 20%, I would say it's a good reflection, because we have not even started we have not started going to the ground. We went and collected signatures. We are waiting for Chebukati and the team to actually now verify the signatures. From there, we'll be going to assemblies. And so I believe by the time we go to the assembly and the document comes to the National Assembly and the document goes to Wanjiko, I'm very sure we'll be now over 80%.
Nimefurahi sana sababu ya hiyo barua. Kwa sababu wengine wetu hiyo ndio maneno tumekuwa tukiongea. Na kama nilivyosema mara kwa mara, hakuna mtu akona haja ya kupiga mambo ya BBI. Lakini tukasema tukae chini tuangalie mambo machache hapo ambayo yanaleta utata. Na hata mheshimiwa Kang'ata na mimi tukaunda timu ya upande ya milengo yote. Lakini mambo hayo yalipigwa na watu wengine ambao walikimbia kurudisha signature kwa IEBC.
At the Kiambu County Assembly, a number of MCAs echoed Kang'ata's sentiment, claiming that the situation on ground requires immediate intervention.
I can tell you niko ground naweza kuambia watu 8 out of 10 wanajua na hawataki BBI. So that is important, president aambiwe, na kila mtu anataka kuambia president ukweli. Amwambie ground mambo ni tofauti. Ground watu wanataka kusikia BBI. Hiyo ndio ile kitu iko.
Naunga vile Kang'ata alisema na vile vyote alisema na barua yake, kwa sababu huo ndio msimamo wa chama.
It's the high time that we sit down as Kenyans and we look at the things that unite us more rather than those which disunite us.
Senator Irungu Kang'ata, however, did not speak to the media on the issue when he attended a burial in Murang'a. Mwangi Maina, TV47, Nairobi.